Alright guys, so there was a large earthquake, a 5.4 earthquake that hit Oklahoma. It was downgraded to a 5.1 earthquake, but it was a pretty large earthquake. It was felt for a long distance. It was only 6 kilometers in depth, and it pretty much was felt by a lot of people in Oklahoma. Also, a lot of stuff happening in the Middle East. The United States retaliating and attacking the Middle East, so that's happening as well. Make sure you check out the community tab. I leave a lot of video links, a lot of posts concerning the weather. So that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. God bless.